Easy and practical methods you can try at home. Rough diamonds are found in their natural uncut form, and many people confuse them with ordinary stones or fake crystals. Knowing how to tell if your rough diamond is real or fake can save you from costly mistakes. Below are practical and easy methods to help you identify a genuine rough diamond at home. Number 1, visual inspection. First clue. Real rough diamonds have a natural uneven shape and rarely look perfectly smooth or shiny. Their surface may appear greasy or slightly oily. Signs of a real rough diamond: natural irregular crystal shape, sharp edges, not rounded like glass, dull or greasy surface shine. Signs of a fake stone: perfectly smooth surface, rounded edges, glass-like shine. Number 2, scratch test, hardness test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. How to do it? Try scratching a piece of glass or quartz with the stone. If it scratches easily, likely real. If it doesn't leave a mark, probably fake. Be careful, this test can damage surfaces. Number 3, water test, density test. This is a simple and popular home test. Steps: 1, fill a glass with water. 2, drop the stone inside. Results: sinks immediately, likely real. Floats or sinks slowly, fake or low density stone. Now 4, fog test, breath test. Diamonds disperse heat very quickly. How to test? Breathe on the stone like fogging a mirror. Fog disappears instantly. Real diamond. Fog stays for a few seconds. Fake stone. Number 5, oil test, advanced visual test. Diamonds repel oil. Steps: 1, place the stone on a flat surface. 2, drop a small amount of oil on it. Result: oil spreads unevenly or runs off. Real diamond. Oil sticks evenly. Fake. Number 6, UV light test. Many real diamonds glow blue under ultraviolet light. Results: blue fluorescence, possibly real. No glow, not necessarily fake, but suspicious. Number 7, professional verification, best option. Home tests are helpful, but not 100% accurate. For final confirmation, visit a certified gemologist, a diamond testing laboratory. They use professional tools like thermal conductivity testers and microscopes. Final thoughts. While many fake stones can look convincing, real rough diamonds have unique natural characteristics that are difficult to replicate. Combining multiple tests increases accuracy, but professional verification is always the safest option.